Tyler, that's a crazy harness that you're wearing. What are you out here doing today?
About to go skydiving.
Ooh, you are skydiving. Is this your first skydive?
First time.
Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Are you nervous?
I'm feeling fine right now, but once I'm sure I'm up there, it's gonna be a whole different
So
story.
it's just me that's nervous, huh?
Oh, I hope not.
What inspired you to come out and skydive?
I've been wanting to do it for a while. I've been too chicken. I think I finally got over the fear of heights, so I'm finally gonna do it.
Well, today's the day you're gonna be strapped to him, so you're going out whether you want to or not. Good luck. We're gonna go up, get in this airplane, jump out at about 10,500 feet, do at least 140 miles an hour. Do you have any famous last words for any friends and family before we do?
It's gonna be a fun time.
You ain't kidding, bud. You're not gonna need them. We're coming back. Let's go outside. Oh yeah. Tyler, you just went skydiving. How do you feel?
Exhilarated, so much adrenaline. Still heartbeat, still going.
Good. That's a normal reaction. If that doesn't happen, you might be a zombie. Did you like it?
Oh yeah.
Will you do it again?
Sometime, yeah.
Ooh, careful, that's how we get you.
I know.
Thanks for skydiving with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Ow!